Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning and welcome to my week. I decided to vlog for a whole week to show you how my life really is, to show a little of the backstage, of the background of my life as a health coach, as a healthy lifestyle content producer, content creator. I don't know exactly my roles in this life, but yeah, I want to show you what I do in a weekly basis. But then I changed my mind and decided to a daily vlog. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Today is Monday and it's 8:29. I just recorded the yoga flow for today. I post a new yoga flow every day at 5 a.m. Eastern time. Don't forget to subscribe for that. And actually I record them after I come back from the gym. So my day started really early and then I go to the gym. I have my workout today. I had a leg day and then I went to this hot yoga class at my gym. And then I came back home and I recorded the flow for the channel. So yeah, the day started a long time ago. So now it's time to get my coffee, to start my day, actually to start my week and bring you with me in this journey. I would say it's just a week, a regular week of a regular person. My day begins with a warm cup of coffee, a moment of calm before diving into my daily tasks. The first order of business is editing the yoga flow and social media video I recorded earlier. This process is not just about creating content, but also about reflecting on my practice and how it can benefit others. Once the editing wraps up, I move on to tidying up the house. Making the bed, picking up my dog's toys, and unloading the dishwasher. These small acts of organization set a positive tone for the day. Mondays are dedicated to kitchen cleaning, a task I'm not fond of, but my disciplined approach keeps it manageable. Post-cleaning, it's time for a refreshing shower and some self-care rituals. I just got out of the shower and now it's a time that I call self-care because it's a time when I use my LED mask. If you never try these ones, they are good. They actually do what they promise. So I plug some music, some meditation music, and I use the mask for 15 minutes, so I have to meditate and I have to wear the mask, so I do both every day for 15 minutes. So that's my tip. This is when I take a moment to connect with myself, setting intentions and acknowledging my efforts. it's time to do a little of work before lunch. So I have to finish some editing, some things for social media, and then after lunch is the time when I have my clients meetings. I usually try to have them all together in the afternoon so I can schedule better my day. But to be honest, this week, today is December 18th, so we are close to Christmas, and I don't have many meetings this week, of course, because of Christmas. People are already feeling like the year is over. So these 2 last weeks of the year, they usually are very calm. I would say I don't have many meetings, but wait until January. January 1st, it's not the busiest day because it's a holiday, but January 2nd, today for lunch we have pizza, and I want to explain our lunch today because maybe that's the main reason I wanted to vlog this week, to show like my philosophy, I would say, about balance, about transparency as well, that being healthy doesn't mean that you have to always eat the perfect meal, or even worse than that, that there are certain types of food you should never eat. So usually on Mondays, that's our lunch, and I'm gonna explain why. First of all, I already showed it that I prepare double dinner, so everything I make for dinner, I make it double, so I have the next day's lunch as well. And every Sunday night, it's a tradition here home, it's a tradition here for us, we always have pizza. But of course I try to make the healthiest pizza as possible. I prepare it with whole wheat flour, we try to top with protein, so we have a lot of rules that we follow so we can always have pizza on Sunday nights. And I actually shared this on my newsletter. I'm gonna leave the link here if you want to read the post, where not only I explain how we eat the pizza every Sunday and how it's actually a health choice, I also share the recipe there for my dough. I've been preparing this dough for many years now, every Sunday, and it never fails. So yeah, that's why we have pizza in a health coach's house. After a nourishing lunch, I head to the kitchen to bake my weekly batch of protein cookies. This week, I experimented with pistachio paste instead of my usual peanut butter. It's Christmas week after all, and a little indulgence is part of a balanced life. To maintain some healthiness, I cut down on the chocolate chips. The pistachio paste altered the consistency, so I'm thinking of adding more whey protein next time for an extra protein boost. Have been the prettiest cookies, but they were delightful. As the days grow shorter, I cherish the cozy afternoons. Today, I enjoyed playing a relaxing game, a perfect way to unwind. And let's not forget about the snacks. Turkey sticks packed with protein and some yogurt kept me energized and satisfied. After the cozy afternoon, I dedicated my evening to attending a yin yoga training. As a Yoga Alliance member, it's essential for me to continuously deepen my knowledge and practice it. Yin yoga, with its focus on stillness and keep tissue release, offers a beautiful contrast to the day's activities. This training is not just for my growth, but also to enrich the experiences I can share with you all. For dinner, I decided to keep it simple yet wholesome. I chopped up fresh vegetables to toss into the rice, brown rice of course, creating a colorful and nutritious base. Alongside, I prepared chicken thighs in the air fryer, a healthier alternative that doesn't compromise on the delicious crispy texture we all love. Sharing this day with you reminds me that a healthy lifestyle isn't about perfection. It's about finding joy in the little things, being disciplined yet flexible, and always seeking ways to nourish our bodies and souls. Remember, beautiful soul, your journey to wellness is unique, and every small step counts towards a healthier, happier you. Stay positive and keep shining. Namaste. How could I almost forget? My day concludes with a delightful ritual, the chocolate of the day from my advent calendar.